Selamat datang everybody, welcome to my tropical kitchen. It is the hottest day ever measured in Holland. So, it's too hot for barbecue, it's too hot for anything, but we can make Indonesian salads. That's a good idea. So, like this one, a Trancam. The salads we're going to make are an Urapan, a Trancam, and a Karedok. Enak! For all the ingredients, check the links below this video. The first salad we're going to make is an Urapan. And an Urapan contains endive, lamb's lettuce, and some bean sprouts, and a real coconut. I mean, the inside of coconut. I'm going to start with cutting the onion, and I'm going to grind it fine in my chopper. Chili pepper. You can use Sambal terasi. Maybe you know Sambal terasi. It's made with fermented shrimp paste. That's this. But now I'm going to add it to my bumbu, to my herb mix. I'm going to take out this inside. I'm going to cut this pepper fine, and we're going to add that to the mortar as well. You know, it's good to rub it, to grind it like this, because more flavors come out. And you rub it into a paste. And in the meantime, you add some salt, because salt helps the grinding. About 1 teaspoon. And you can also add now your terasi, your fermented shrimp paste. Also add the kencur. This is a powder. It's the kencur root. Now I'm going to add the asam. That's tamarind, and that makes it sour, but you also need some sweetness, so I added 1 teaspoon of sugar to my tamarind, and then you mix it in, and here is the dressing of your salad. So now let's open this one. There you go. Ooh, beautiful. I have grated my 1/3 of my coconut, approximately. It's a lot of work, of course, but we're doing the original way, the authentic way, because it's the tropics today in Holland. But if you're too lazy, and I can imagine, use just regular coconut, grated coconut from the store. You can add some coconut cream as well to make it more moist. You don't have to cook this salad in any way, but this endive needs, some heat to make it tender. So I'm going to add the bean sprouts and then pour over boiling hot water and leave it for a while. I think about 1 minute. And let's drain it like this. You have to let it cool down a bit. Otherwise it gets too tender. So we've made this bumbu. We're going to add it to the coconut. And then mix it all together. It's a weird dressing, isn't it? Made of coconut and terasi and kencur. The next salad we're going to make is a trancam. It contains lettuce, cucumber, some lime, basil leaves, leek, garlic. Easy. Let's make it. It's about 2 tablespoons of leek. I've cut my garlic. Then we've got here sambal manis. You can check the link below how to make it, or you can just take 1 chili pepper and add some sugar to it and a little bit of salt. Same. I'm going to cut my cucumber. This is going to be part of the salad. A little bit of leek, the garlic, sambal manis, salt. Grind this into a paste. Grated coconut from the store this time because I'm sweaty enough. This is santan. It's called coconut cream. It's the fatty part of the coconut. This helps to bind everything together. The coconut will soak up all the juices. Of course, a dressing also needs acidity. There you go. So this is the dressing. Now I'm gonna add This is baby lettuce, like really fresh young lettuce. Basil, you can also use Thai basil. And this is your Trancam. Add some extra lime because this summer, hot summer day needs it. So now the final and third, called a Karedok. It contains a katimun, cucumber, aubergine, eggplant, a bumbu with onions and garlic, and some lovely asam. Taking off the skin of the cucumber, and the same goes for the aubergine. Add some lime juice, otherwise my aubergine will discolor. Now we're going to make the bumbu, and it's the base for a cold peanut sauce. 2 or 3 garlic cloves and 2 tablespoons of onion. I've added my onion and my garlic to the mortar, and I've added my chili pepper, my orange one, beautiful, to it too, and I'm going to grind it into a paste. I need a little bit of salt, my contour, because this salad also contains contour, my favorite root. For this recipe you need a sort of sweet tamarind. It's called a kitchen tamarind. So I've added a teaspoon of sugar. This is 100% peanut butter. That means that there's nothing added to it. So it's made just from peanuts. About a teaspoon of sugar. I'm gonna taste later if the flavors are well balanced. Yeah, this is okay. No, it doesn't need any more sugar. It's lovely. Now we're gonna add 4 tablespoons of water to dilute it a bit. You can also add green beans or long beans. And here are my bean sprouts. And now mix it together and serve. So now we're done. We've made 3 delicious Indonesian salads. An urapan, a trancam, and a karedok. Let's taste. Crispy and a bit spicy. I like spiciness. This is healthy food, people. Enjoy your summer. Selamat makan.